full size. Yeah. You know how to swim? Huh? You know how to swim?
Nag-slide ka pa, nag-slide.
You like it? Very nice.
Baby, go go na din. Just wait.
You want to swim? You like it?
Did you? Say hi to si Papa ba?
You like it?
Papa, ano na daw to yung mga LCD pa ba? Baby, doon to sa Papa po.
Pirmiyagi ko sa ginapaliguan ba?
Para daw yung mga LCD ba?
Yeah, okay. Kaptaan mo lang.
Ako na bayad?
Oh. Ano tawag sa diet? Anong tawag sa diet? Lutong bahay? Anong tawag sa diet, Subong? Lutong bahay? Anong tawag sa diet? Ano ngayon? Lutong bahay? Kasi sabi nila steak, saan yung steak? Barbecue steak?
Steak, sir? Sa steak.
Sa kabila pala yun.
Dito kasi barbecue party ngayon, sir.
Okay. Barbecue pala ngayon.
Opo.
Okay. Oh, kaon ka na daw eh.
Tama kayo nga. Pwede sa mga paaya.
Diba sa nagpariban?
Sino?
Si nanay sa video.
Nagpariban ka?
Nagpariban.
Si Sus ka, ipariban nyo para medyo gupo-gupo. Yeah. Pero may ginasabihan ni Chloe ba? Enjoy gina siya.
Cellphone. Broken na cellphone.
Yeah.
Ulit ko.
Yeah.
Broken na cellphone mo, Dok.
Sila niya, old.
All.
Din plato niya.
Gentlemen, here across the road, please stand by po muna tayo. Come on, everybody. What about let's bring some fun and energy here tonight as we all do the Rock MCA Dance Challenge. Come on, everybody, let's all stand. Tayo po tayo, come on. And with our arms transforming everyone like this, follow after me. Right? Like this. Right? M.
Yeah, okay.
C. And A. Konti, pero kaya pa natin to. Ayan. Okay, this is it. Okay, kung kayo po mismo nagbibigay ng ating pagpremyo sa kanila. Dito tayo, sir. Ayan. Okay. Sige, okay lang. Continue your dinner dito. Sir, ma'am. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, ganito. Kanina, we played Guess the Song. But this time, let's play another game, which is the trivia game. Now, dito po lahat ng tao nandito ngayong gabi, mga pinili po ito ng couple natin.
May 25
mga special sa kanilang
or
puso. And so,
silver
let's
wedding
get
anniversary
to
dito.
test kung gaano niyo po kakilala yung couple natin with the questions about our
Kami
couple.
naman ay
And if you
guest
know the
dito,
answer, punta lang po tayo
mag-overnight.
ulit sa harapan paunahan.
Yung
And
mga
then
anak
for
ko.
you to get to go home with a cash prize. And if your answer is correct, again, you will
May napansin lang ako
hear the
dito.
sound. And if the answer is wrong, again, you will hear the sound.
Comment lang kayo pag may comment kayo. As
As
your
big question is,
chief
guys, are you
engineer.
ready?
Chief
One more
engineer.
time.
Engineer tayo ngayon.
Guys, are you ready? Let's begin our trivia question with the first question, and that is, what is the total number of children of our couple? Ilan po
Bato
lahat
ito na
ang ating
pinapatong-patong.
dalawa? Hello,
Buhay pa
my
naman,
name
oh,
is Hugh.
matigas.
Good evening. Ano pangalan niya natin?
Matigas. Ginagawang shower.
Nene.
Shower.
Church mo, tama ba, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Ilan po
The
ang
question
anak
is
ng
how
ating couple?
Strong.
Dalawa
Baka dumating
or
yung
two? Is it
lindol
correct?
bigla.
Congratulations! Ayan,
7
go. And happy photo
or
with
8.
our couple as well. Ayan, picture na natin sila.
Sa
Ma'am,
Richter
ayan,
scale?
Sir Sophie, ayan. Sorry to patchwork your me. Okay. Smile.
Nami pa ka full drink na. Pwede sa... Hindi ka pa mainitan kaya may cover. Be careful!